Well, you know, I know one of the things you're really particular about is knowledge of market statistics. We got about
Yes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
Could you share with viewers, give them a sense of what's happening in the greater Myrtle Beach area, the Coastal Carolinas Association of Realtors market area?
Absolutely, and it's interesting because, you know, we're already, you know, we're in the spring. I just recently looked at the first quarter of 2013 and compared it to the first quarter of 2012. So that gives us a good picture of, you know, where we are in the past year. A couple things to note. On single family homes, Greg, we saw a 12% increase in the amount of units that sold. So 12% more houses sold in the first quarter of this year than a year ago, which is it's great news.
It is.
The interesting thing about that is, though, that the average sale price was up 1%. So not much, pretty much flat. Median sale price was flat. So we're seeing single family homes just kind of right at the bottom is what we see based on the stats. Now on the condominiums, we saw units were up about 8%, 6 to 8%.
Okay.
Prices were actually up 4.5%.
Okay, a little better.
Yes, so in inventory is down on condos about 15%, which is significant. And on the single family homes, forgot to mention, the inventory is down about 6%.
Okay.
So condominiums, when we look at the stats, it appears that we are just beyond the bottom. Single family homes looks like we're right in the bottom right now. Now, lots of good stuff happening. Building permits are up dramatically. I mean, we're seeing a lot of energy, but that's just the market stats right now. And when we look at inventory and absorption rate, single family homes right now, we have about 4,000 houses for sale, and last month about 399 sold. So we have about a 10-month supply. And then lastly, on condominiums, we got about 3,500 for sale, and about 330 are selling each month. About an 11-month supply of condos right now.
Now, would that be, if you actually take the time to compare it against other markets or other resort markets like ours around the country?
Well, that's a great question. I don't really look at those marketplaces and compare them line by line, but I know a lot of the agents that are friends of mine that I network with in, say, the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area, the coastal regions of New Jersey, like Ocean City. And we do typically lag behind a little bit from just experience. But those markets are picking up, and as we are.
Right. Wow, Greg.